Hello everybody. So today we're going to talk about how to handle flash sales in Shopify Plus. So first we're going to talk about what flash sales are. So flash sales can provide great opportunities to sell a large quantity of products in a short period of time, but they can require some preparation if you're expecting a large increase in your checkouts. In most cases, special preparations are recommended only if you're running a flash sale and you expect tens of thousands of customers to start a checkout within a few minutes. So here's what you need to do. First, you need to plan in advance. If you determine your flash sale will generate enough orders that you need to prepare in advance, then you should start as soon as possible. Prepare preview products. If you want to provide a preview of the products you've offered during the flash sale, then create unique preview products separate from the ones you'll actually be offering for sales when the event begins. Review product information for international sales. If you sell internationally and collect duty and import taxes, then consider disabling the collection of duty and import taxes until your sale is complete. Create a brand password page. In the event that a technical issue within a third party affects your ability to serve your customers, the best course of your action is to lock your storefront to prevent the issue from getting any worse. Create a theme with event-specific collections and product pages. Create a collection specifically for your sale items, and if possible, a theme that highlights and simplifies your product pages. Deactivating fulfillment locations. If you have more than one fulfillment location active, then deactivate all locations except for the one that inventory is assigned to for that sale. Capture payments manually. If you capture payments automatically, then you should consider changing your settings to capture payments manually. Turn off customer account logged in method. There are two versions of customer accounts, legacy and customer accounts. In legacy customer accounts, customers can log in using an email and a password. In customer accounts, customers can log in using a one-time 6-digit verification code that's sent to their email address. Review third-party functions. For flash sales, you need to make sure that your third-party integrations can handle the increase in traffic to your store. Apps. If you have third-party apps as part of your checkout process, then you should contact the developers with an estimate of the volume of orders you expect and the duration of your sale. Shipping apps. Shipping apps typically display poor performance during extremely high volume events. Custom apps. If you have custom apps installed in your store, then you should review them to make sure that they are efficient as possible and the API call rate is sufficient. Payment providers. If you don't use Shopify payments, then contact your payment provider to ensure that you can support the volume of sales you expect. External payment providers. An external payment provider is a service that directs customers to complete their payment outside of Shopify and include payment options that allow paying later or partial payments. That's it. Thanks for watching.